Good morning, this is Mike Richardson, owner of Alliance Home Mortgage, and here's your mortgage-backed securities update for Friday, January 27th. The current trend direction for rates is sideways to higher, or the current trend direction, for the mortgage-backed securities market is sideways to higher, and our advice is to float. The current price of the Fannie Mae 3.5 bond is 103.53, and it's up 3 basis points. Mortgage bonds are trading in an all-time high price range in response to weaker than expected U.S. economic news. The advanced GDP reading, or first of 3 readings, for the fourth quarter came in at 2.8%, a bit below expectations of 3.2%. This number will be revised 2 more times, but if the final GDP remains at 2.8%, then the overall GDP for 2011 would be a low 1.57%. This is currently a lousy GDP. When you consider that the government has underwritten more than half of that economic growth with the payroll tax benefit. And end of the week look at Euronews shows that yields in European bonds have come down, and by quite a bit. In Italy, the 10-year note was well north of 7% not too long ago, but is now beneath 6%. That yield is still high relative to the US or Germany, where 10-year note yields are south of 2%. But receding yields have sparked some optimism that Europe's long-term refinance operation, or LTRO, has helped alleviate some pressure in the peripheral countries in the Eurozone like Spain and Italy. The LTRO was really a kick of the can down the road. Yes, in the short run, it alleviated some pressure, but it doesn't really get to the root of the problem. Europe needs to play a serious offensive line by creating a tighter fiscal union, implementing austerity measures, and developing growth strategies to help pay down the enormous debt. Bonds are up, but off their highs as volatility reigns supreme. We recommend floating, but be prepared to lock. If the bond moves much lower from current levels, you will be hearing from us with an alert to lock. So let's switch gears and go over to the bond page, and let me show you real quick what's going on over there. So here's our bond page. We're tracking the Fannie Mae 30-year 3.5%. And you can see over the last 3 days, starting Wednesday, we've had a lot of volatility and uncertainty on where the price is going to settle at. We're definitely off the highs of the day, but as you can see, the price has increased dramatically. So again, we're going to want to keep a good look at, keep a good eye on this. And if we're closing within a few days, we're going to definitely want to look strong at locking if the price decreases anymore. So I hope you guys have a nice day. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 530-410-0263, or email me at mike@ahmloans.com. Thank you.